Hello, everyone. This is November the 29th, 2020. Today is Wednesday. Nice to have you. So this is the news show on Binance Live, YouTube, and Twitter, where we go over the news from Cryptopolitan. We're going to be doing this every 2 days approximately. So Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and then Fridays we're going to have every once in a while a show about the more specific people that make crypto interesting on what's called Hashed Out Spotlight. So looking forward to that. Otherwise, let's take a look into the news. Let's jump right in. Let's see. We've looked at these. Rising crypto scam in Australia spurs TRM Labs and SwiftX into action. Let's take a look at this. Two-factor authentication adoption gets Bitcoin rewards, bolstering Aussie crypto security. Crypto scams surge 162.4% in Australia, demanding immediate prevention. TRM Labs and SwiftX unite against crypto fraud, enhancing investor protection. Nice. Wish more people would do that. Solana ecosystem grows with Jito's 115 million token release. The Jito Foundation has introduced a governance token, JTO, to manage its Solana-based liquid staking protocol. 1 billion JTO tokens will be created with an initial circulation of 115 million tokens. The allocation plan for JTO tokens will be created with an initial circulation of 115 million tokens. The allocation plan for JTO tokens includes 34% for community growth, 25% for ecosystem development, 24.5% for core contributors, and 16% for investors. So what does the Jito Foundation do exactly? I'm glad you asked, because I'm asking myself the same question. Jito Labs has garnered notable attention and support in the crypto community, with investors including Solana Ventures and Anatoly Yakovenko, co-founder of Solana Labs. The lab's recent $10 million Series A funding round, led by Multicoin Capital and Framework Ventures, further solidifies its position in the Solana ecosystem. Other investors like Alameda Research, Delphi Digital, and Robot Ventures highlight the broad industry support for Jito's initiatives. Gonna have to keep an eye out for that one. New Spanish tax laws require declaration of crypto assets on non-Spanish platforms. Spanish residents must report foreign crypto assets over $55,000 by March 31st, 2024. Hi, D109. Nice to have you with us. Thanks for hopping in. Spain will adopt EU rules in 2025 and take legal action against crypto promotions for compliance. Spain fights crypto tax evasion with 328,000 warnings in 2023, up 40%. That's quite a lot. They're really paying attention to that. Crypto trading firm Kronos Research negotiates with hacker after $26 million security breach. Kronos Research negotiates to return 90% of stolen $26 million to hackers. Part of a crypto trend. Crypto breach reveals platform vulnerabilities. Kronos Research handles losses internally, protecting partners. The rising trend, crypto firms negotiate with hackers. DeFi loses $1.2 billion in 2023, emphasizing security needs. ID109, I see you're asking for money. Because you lost money, you're asking for 1 cent. Someone on here will probably offer a box. That's probably the safest way to go. Might be more than 1 cent too. Yeah. So, JP Morgan Chase and Apollo announced tokenized enterprise mainnet. JP Morgan and Apollo unveiled tokenized mainnet for finance innovation, $900 billion assets processed, filling a $2 billion daily intraday repo gap. MAS takes steps to curb crypto speculation and focus on risk awareness. Interesting. Dogecoin active wallet addresses hit 5 million. For the first time. Challenges in ownership concentration. It's a lot of the same owners for all the coins. That makes sense. On Dogecoin. It's the same problem for a lot of currencies, actually. FSB highlights risks in crypto firms. Cryptocurrency companies such as FTX highlight the necessity for worldwide protective measures to avert potential risks that could destabilize the financial system. Cryptocurrency companies such as FTX highlight, and that's written there twice, that's interesting. And a recent development that underscores the growing concern over the stability of the global financial system, the Financial Stability Board, FSB, has issued a warning about the potential risks posed by cryptocurrency firms, particularly those with complex structures like FTX. Interesting. Bitcoin ETF approval rumor triggers institutional investments. Institutional investors have continued to make investments in BTC triggered by rumors of a potential approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. That makes sense. Why would they not? Magic Eden launches its cross-chain wallet for NFTs and crypto. Scheduled to launch first on the Google Chrome browser, Magic Eden has plans to expand its wallet compatibility by developing versions for Safari and a dedicated mobile app, with a potential release as early as 2024. The wallet is designed to work seamlessly with the 4 blockchains currently supported on the Magic Eden NFT marketplace: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the Ethereum scaling network Polygon. Users will experience a self-custodial approach, retaining full control of their crypto assets by safeguarding a seed phrase, a lengthy passphrase composed of multiple words. It's like most current wallets, I feel. Spot Bitcoin ETFs in Brazil hit record $100 million in AUM. In Brazil, the demand for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or spot Bitcoin ETFs, has experienced substantial growth over the past 2 years, with total assets under management, AUM, reaching $96.8 million as of November 21st. The leading ETF, Hashdex's NASDAQ Bitcoin Reference Price FDI, or BITH 11, commands a significant market share, boasting $57.8 million in assets under management. Binance Futures introduces new ETHW perpetual contract. Binance Futures is launching the USDSM ETHW perpetual contract on November 28th, 2023, offering up to 50x leverage for trading against USDT. The contract includes features like multi-assets mode and special fee rebates for qualified liquidity providers, enhancing trading flexibility and market liquidity. It's good for people that support that specific thing. Okay, let's see. SIX Digital Exchange and DLT Finance join forces to enhance crypto trading. SIX Digital Exchange and DLT Finance have announced a strategic partnership to enhance crypto trading, with SDX providing custodian and staking services, and DLT Finance focusing on brokerage and trading through its subsidiary. This collaboration aims to create an end-to-end solution for regulated crypto trading, brokerage, and custody services, targeting institutional clients and fostering a more secure, regulated European ecosystem for cryptocurrencies and digital securities. Hunax crypto exchange defrauds 145 users in Hong Kong. Hong Kong authorities have confirmed a scam involving the unlicensed Hunax crypto exchange, resulting in 145 victims losing a total of $18.9 million. The incident has prompted a tightening of crypto regulations in Hong Kong, echoing the need for enhanced investor protection in the digital currency market. Venture capital firm A16Z backs Setter with $5 million for Web3 commerce. Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z, led a $5 million seed investment in Setter, a New York-based Web3 consumer app. Setter aims to simplify the integration of Web2 and Web3 technologies for brand promotions and exclusive product drops. The startup's initial focus is on streetwear and sneaker brands, with expansion plans into fashion, luxury items, and collectibles. Interesting. I'm sure a lot of NFT folks would be interested in that. Coinbase notifies users of CFTC subpoena involving Bybit. Coinbase has informed some users about a subpoena received from the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, concerning crypto exchange Bybit. The situation reflects increasing regulatory scrutiny in the cryptocurrency industry, with similar actions observed against other firms like PayPal and Binance. Yeah, it's like they're all under a microscope right now. Chainlink upgrades staking to version 0.2 with new features. Sounds familiar. I think we talked about this recently. Has launched staking via version 0.2, expanding its pool to 45 million link tokens, equating to 8% of the circulating supply. The upgrade features a more flexible unbounding mechanism, enhanced security, and a modular design for future adaptability. This step is part of Chainlink's Economics 2.0 initiative, which aims to improve crypto economic security and broaden the Link token utility. Let's get on that. Animoca Brands becomes largest ton blockchain validator. Animoca Brands has made a strategic investment in the Ton ecosystem, becoming its largest validator. The investment focuses on Ton Play, a platform that enables launching blockchain games directly on Telegram. This collaboration aims to facilitate the transition from Web2 to Web3, leveraging Telegram's 800 million user base. That's one way to do it. Jump Crypto granted confidentiality by U.S. judge in SEC lawsuit. Federal Judge Jed Rakoff has permitted Jump Crypto to submit materials confidentially in the SEC's lawsuit against Terraform Labs and its founder Do Kwon. The SEC alleges that Jump Crypto manipulated the price of Terra USD, contributing to its depegging and Terraform's collapse, resulting in significant profits for the firm. Legal proceedings are ongoing, with the potential for the case to be settled outside of trial, and Do Kwon currently faces criminal charges and potential extradition related to the Terraform ecosystem collapse. Yeah, that's quite a bit there. Cristiano Ronaldo in hot water over Binance promotion. I did see this. He's being sued for promoting risky crypto with Binance. Ronaldo accused of not disclosing crypto promotions payments. Binance faces a $4.3 billion settlement and SEC charges. We already knew about those, but that's kind of the context he's being sued in. Accelerated crypto approvals in Hong Kong post JPX rug pull incident. Hong Kong's government accelerates cryptocurrency product approvals after the JPX rug pull incident to boost a compliant crypto industry. Hong Kong banks are set to enter the cryptocurrency market, focusing on tokenized virtual assets, enhancing market credibility. The city balances fostering crypto innovation with stringent regulatory oversight for investor protection and market integrity. Vitalik Buterin reveals plan to revamp Ethereum staking. I remember something about this. Announced plans to overhaul Ethereum staking mechanism, aiming to improve efficiency and decentralization. The revamp includes integrating technologies like the UTXO payment model, private mempools, ERC4337, and ZK or EVMs. ZK EVMs, enhancing transaction processing and privacy. The changes focus on reducing centralization in liquid staking and improving Ethereum scalability and user accessibility, reinforcing its position as a leading blockchain platform. I remember this because the founder of Cardano was basically making fun of him for copying them, kind of in that. So that was interesting. Binance faces high regulatory hurdles amid $4.3 billion settlements. Oh, Binance is preparing to launch its cryptocurrency exchange in Thailand early next year, marking a significant expansion of its global operations. The company faces regulatory challenges in Thailand following a $4.3 billion settlement with U.S. authorities and anti-money laundering violations. Richard Tang, a former regulator, has been appointed as the new CEO of Binance to navigate the complex regulatory landscape in new markets like Thailand. That should really help a lot. John Deaton foresees BlackRock raising its 7.82% Coinbase share. John Deaton, a pro XRP lawyer, predicts a strategic investment move by BlackRock in Coinbase. BlackRock's potential increase in Coinbase stakes aligns with exchange's role in ETF custodial services. Yeah, I could see that happening. Absolutely. It makes total sense. All right, let's see here. Coinbase's prominence grows as it becomes a preferred custodian for influential firms in the ETF space. The majority of American spot Bitcoin ETFs being custodied on Coinbase. CyberSwap hacker threatens delay negotiations amidst hostilities. Hacker demands civility, threatens negotiation delays if hostilities continue. CyberSwap warns of legal action and initiates bounty program. $46 million exploit spans multiple blockchain networks. Yeah, that seemed like a cheeky hacker in the first place. Spot Bitcoin ETF decisions delayed by SEC until January. This was kind of expected. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has postponed its decisions on spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund applications. Franklin Templeton's early decision to delay their application was surprising as it was made before the January 1st deadline. This early decision by the SEC could align approvals for all applicants by January 10th, 2024, according to Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyffart. So we'll see about that. Digital currency group DCG and Genesis Global agree on repayment plan. DCG and Genesis Global have settled their lawsuit over $620 million in loans, with DCG agreeing to pay $275 million in 3 installments. DCG has already paid $227.3 million of the debt. So they'd be actually closer to $500 million, I guess. The resolution reflects the growing importance of clear lending practices in the cryptocurrency industry and sets a precedent for future dealings in digital finance. Interesting. Let's check out CoinMarketCap. We'll get a quick view of what's going on. Okay. Let's refresh the page so we can get all the information at once. The global crypto market cap is $1.43 trillion, a 1.86% increase over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $55.8 billion, which makes a 22.78% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $5.13 billion, 9.19% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $50.77 billion, which is 91% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 52.07%, an increase of 0.12% over the day. The Fear and Greed Index is at 71. Bitcoin is at $38,048.43. up 1.76% in the last 24 hours, up 3.96% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is at $2,052.42, up 0.88% in the last 24 hours, up 1.27% in the last 7 days. Let's take a look at the biggest losers and winners, and then we'll come back. So FTX token is down 5.64% in the last 24 hours to $4.03. It's also down 1.53% in the last 7 days. TIA from Celestia is down 3.61% in the last 24 hours to $6.07, whilst remaining up compared to its price 7 days ago by 3.98%. ETH DYDX is down 3.30% in the last 24 hours to $3.14, down 10.34% in the last 7 days. Then we have Blur and Axie Infinity AXS, which are both down barely over 3% in the last 24 hours. Blur is at 50 cents 33, up 6.42% in the last 7 days, and AXS is at $6.50, up 12.89% in the last 7 days. So most of them are still positive for the last 7 days. Biggest winners right now: IOTA up 36.63% in the last 24 hours to 23 cents 29, up 34.40% in the last 7 days. Terra Classic USD or USTC is up to 5 cents 21, which is up 25.67% in the last 24 hours, up 298.92% in the last 7 days. LunaSea Terra Classic is up 18.22% in the last 24 hours, up 59.31% in the last 7 days. Then we have Stacks STX, which is up 17.23% in the last 24 hours to 75 cents 19, and up 22.82% in the last 7 days. Then we have Say, which is up 10.46% in the last 24 hours, up 59.63% in the last 7 days to 27 cents 07. And those are the ones that are above 10% up today. Let's go look at the top 20 by market cap again. BNB is at $228.07, down 0.77% in the last 24 hours, down 2.31% in the last 7 days. XRP is at 61 cents 09, which is up 0.28% in the last 24 hours, up 2.20% in the last 7 days. Sold from Solana is at $60.79, making it quite a big uptick, 8.12% up in the last 24 hours, 9.8% up in the last 7 days. ADA from Cardano is up 0.71% in the last 24 hours, up 3.13% in the last 7 days to 38 cents 38. Doge from Dogecoin is at 8 cents 148, up 2.39% in the last 24 hours, up 8.93% in the last 7 days. TRX from Tron is up 1% in the last 24 hours, up 3.46% in the last 7 days to 10 cents 36. Ton from Toncoin is down 0.95% in the last 24 hours, up 2.30% in the last 7 days to $2.45. Link from Chainlink is up 2.44% in the last 24 hours, up 2.78% in the last 7 days to $14.73. AVAX from Avalanche is up 3.41% in the last 24 hours, up 4.12% in the last 7 days to $21.03. Matic from Polygon is up 2.11% in the last 24 hours, down 0.53% in the last 7 days to 75 cents 83. So it needs a little bit to catch up to the last 7 days. Dot from Polkadot, obviously, 1.11% up in the last 24 hours, 3.38% up in the last 7 days to $5.27. LTC from Litecoin is at $69.76, up 1.08% in the last 24 hours, up 2.8% in the last 7 days. SHIB is up 0.52% in the last 24 hours, up 3.38% in the last 7 days. BCH from Bitcoin Cash is up 0.29% in the last 24 hours, up 1.43% in the last 7 days to $223.40. And then our number 20 is Unised Leo, which means they've gone up a ranking. They're at $3.91, up 0.41% in the last 24 hours, down 2.37% in the last 7 days. It's interesting because whoever... For them to jump that high, I see Uniswap is 21st right now. Cosmos is 22nd. I'll have to check to see who they took space from. I'm curious. We'll have to check. But yeah, that's the news for today. Thank you guys for joining. Feel free to like and subscribe. And if you subscribe, you'll get notifications when we go live again. The next time we'll be doing the news like this will be Saturday. So we'll be covering Thursday, Friday, and Saturday news all at once. It's going to be a pretty big show. And Friday, we may have a guest. I'll find out in the next few days. Probably tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you for joining. And yeah, just have a great Wednesday. See you guys. Bye.